Let's go ahead and open this thing. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, guys, I'm going to unbox my brand new smartphone that I bought for $69. Yeah, it's not much, but I'm going to tell you guys why I bought this phone before I unbox it in just a moment for you guys to see how good or bad the phone is. So, my previous phone had only 32 gigabytes of storage. So, I used all of that 32 gigabytes of storage. So in most of the times, I mostly use Ali's phone to record my videos because he has a bigger storage space than mine. I was saving up my money, the $69 that I had. I was saving up till I withdraw my first YouTube paycheck. Then I'm gonna buy like a really good Samsung or an iPhone, or whatever. But then the old phone is really giving me a headache. It has cracks on the screen and stuff like that. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and buy this new phone. At least it would do something great for my channel for until I can get my YouTube payments out. So this phone, like I said, is $69. I bought it for 108,000 naira, and it's called the itel City 100. And itel has the P series, the S series, the A series, and this is the newest series. So this is the first phone under the City series. And the reason why I bought this out of all the other phones, budget phones within that price range, is because of the 128 gigabytes of storage. Now that is enough for me to put a lot of stuff into this phone. Plus, it comes with expandable storage. So let's go ahead and open this thing. Though I already opened it, I'm gonna just show you guys. So yeah, come on, I don't want to drop this. That's satisfying. Well, the first thing that you see is when you open the box is obviously the phone inside this little plastic bag. And well, let's take it out. All right, you know what? I'm gonna show you guys the phone in a moment. Let's see what else is in the box. So underneath that, we got this little plastic cover with this little, but this is not for charging. It's for a magnetic speaker that comes along with the phone if you're lucky. I wasn't lucky, so I did not get that. This is where it sticks onto, so this is what it's for. It comes with an 18 watts charger. Here is the cable for the charger. It's a USB-C. And also this headphone. But the headphone, to be fair, is very cheap. It looks very cheap, and the quality is not that great. But yeah, it's $69 at the end of the day, so it's pretty all right. And also the pin for the SIM slot. That's all that comes in the box, or the charger and everything. Now let's get to the phone. Let's take it out of this. Okay. This is the phone, guys. It comes in three different colors. There's purple, there is navy blue, and I forgot the other color. It's like brownish. So it has three cameras, but don't be fooled by that. Only the top camera works. The other two are just there for decoration. But to be fair, it has this mature look. You get me? And on this side, we have the volume up and volume down button. We have the power on button, which also is the sensor, so fingerprint sensor. And on this side we have the SIM card slot where it has two SIMs and one expandable memory up to 1 terabyte if you want. That's up to you. The top we have nothing, and at the bottom we have the headphone jack, the USB-C charging, and also speaker. But one of the coolest features for this phone is, though it's a budget phone, is the fact that it has splash and dust resistance. So if you accidentally drop this into the water and you quickly like took it out, you're not gonna have an issue. And it's pretty lightweight, which is one of the things I love about it. And it has Face ID, you know. And they added so many gestures to it, you know, like swipe on the left for notifications, swipe on the right for these. I don't know what these are. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, all this network stuff. It's Android 14, by the way, which I was expecting Android 15 because other phones from this budget range are Android 15. So I don't know why itel kept it as Android 14. Maybe perhaps they want to upgrade it in the future or something. and it's 90 hertz refresh rate. The battery life, oh, the battery life is actually quite good because it has 6,000, I believe. It's on the box somewhere. It has 6,000. Let me just cross double check that. It has, oh, 5,200, sorry. So that is enough for the battery to last the whole day, especially if you're not a heavy user like myself. It's 4 gig. The front facing camera is 8 megapixel and the back camera is 13 megapixels. So guys, this is the front facing camera of the phone. I'm going to snap some pictures and show you guys the pictures that it can take as well, and you guys let me know how good the camera resolutions are. Yeah, and the phone, to be fair, is quite all right for the price. I've been using it since yesterday. I got it yesterday, and so far I'm okay with it. I can't wait to stream with this phone, and hopefully you guys don't complain the camera is still blurry or is pixelated or whatever. Because I'll be streaming with this. I haven't streamed with this yet, so I don't know what you guys think. But inshallah, soon we're gonna make a major upgrade once I manage to withdraw my YouTube funds. But for now, we're gonna be using this phone, and we're not gonna ask Ali to give us his phone anymore, because even this phone that I'm recording with is Ali's phone. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you're new, subscribe, and I want you to tell me your honest opinion about the new phone.